Man comes home from work late. Wife and kids are sound asleep. You kick your shoes off, wash up a little, down there. Climb into bed with your beautiful wife who knows you've had a long day. She has on her newest lingerie. You're about to lean over and give her a big fat wet kiss after you play Diamonds and Pearls by Prince in the background. All of a sudden you hear some banging on the door that makes you shrivel up faster than this guy says, "Oh hell no."
I'm not your typical 10. You can take your blindfold off.
Oh, fuck no. Jesus Christ. Get me the fuck out of here.
This is the second time the cops get a bogus call to this residence and the guy's not happy. I wouldn't be happy either if my happy time was interrupted by the boys in blue. At the end of the video, we're going to give you some tips on what to do and what not to do if you find yourself in this situation. So don't go anywhere. Let's get right to it, folks.
Hello?
Hello, it's police department. How are you?
Good. We're laying in bed. What's up?
Oh, we had a noise complaint there, a disturbance that there was possibly fighting or something going on inside, so we were just coming to check it out.
Will you tell them that calling a false report is bullshit? I literally just got home. I've only been home for a little bit. I work at Walmart. I get off at 10.
Okay.
Filing a false police report is a crime. This is bullshit.
We don't even know who called.
Yeah.
We don't know.
Well, why do I get calls all the time? There's ways to figure it out.
Who called and why you're here?
Because we still have to respond. I'm sorry.
All right. Well, clearly there's not a fight. We're laying down, so case closed. We good here?
Yeah, every time we document, man, like we come here, we document that.
I understand.
Yeah, I stood outside. I pulled by, the windows were dark. I walked up the stairs. I stood here. I didn't hear nothing, but we still got to follow up.
No, I understand that, but I'm tired of having people call the cops on us.
And we understand that too.
And what can I do about it? Violent or calling the cops? Yeah, it's harassment. What can I do about it?
Well, we'll be telling the landlord about this again.
That's
I think that's
relax.
That's a great plan.
That is a great plan.
So that's a great plan.
If the disturbance was possibly people fighting and like pounding on the ground. I don't know if it's walking or dogs or what. I don't know.
No.
I don't live in the basement. I've never lived in this building. Some walls are thin. I don't know about this building specifically.
Every building, the walls are thin.
Yeah, so you can hear a lot, and you have to be willing to put up with a little bit.
But for fighting and arguing, that is a complete bullshit because I just got back. So at least have more proof of something before they come. You know what I mean?
Rules and regulations that we just got.
Like we still got to come, but
all right.
As far as your landlord, if they don't want to put up with it, that's on them. You know. But
I don't want to put up with it.
Yeah,
it shouldn't be on me.
They gave us rules and regulations because of this.
Oh my god. All right, just relax, babe.
My kids are sleeping.
All
It
right.
shouldn't be.
Yeah, exactly. They go to bed at like 8 o'clock, so you guys come here getting my dog all riled up, you know what I mean?
How many times have we been here for this?
Twice. Look at the reports.
This is I don't have time to look at the screen and review everything.
Twice recently, and I got them both on recording, so.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, so we're good here?
Do you just have your name?
Just give us your name.
I don't answer questions.
Fine. We'll figure it out. That's fine.
All right, thank you. Have a good day, sir.
What's the first thing you notice about this video that was not handled properly? For me, it was the man opening the door. He did email me and said that he learned his lesson. He won't be answering the door for police anymore, so let's give him credit for that. The cops did their job in this video. They arrived, they knocked, they asked questions, they didn't push the issue. They didn't have a bad attitude either. They did what the law allows them to do. They left without any escalation. The family had a camera and were already communicating with the cops through it. Everything that was being said by the man after he opened the door could have been said through the camera. That's what it's for, guys. I mean, come on, this shit is elementary by now. The only reason you should be opening your door to police is if they have a search warrant. Not just an arrest warrant, they need an actual search warrant to enter your home. Unless they have probable cause and see you run inside your home after identifying you and they have a search warrant in hand. This guy's lucky the cop didn't jam his foot in the door and start eye-fucking his wife. A cop in my hometown was caught sending dick pics to all the housewives after arresting their husbands. Cops are not automatically good people because they wear a year-round Halloween costume. Cops can be evil, sadistic, maniacal predators. For some cops, a kill is an initiation ritual. It's a reason to get a new tattoo for some of them. The Los Angeles Sheriff's Department have several of their own gangs. I'm sure it's spread throughout the nation. Maybe it's a nationwide problem by now. Cops need to be held accountable, and that's why many of you know the importance of subscribing. Thank you all for the support you show all of us, not just myself, but the other channels that I present to you. You guys are supporters. You're not just fans, which makes you that much more valuable. So we thank you for that. You guys make phone calls. You guys make complaints. You are the ones that make things happen. We've had at least 6 police chiefs resign after showing their videos on my channel, but you guys are the ones that put the pressure on. Outstanding work. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Ghostface's channel. Let him know that I sent you. Original channel link will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Before we let you guys go, we're going to give you the First Amendment of the Constitution, since they're not teaching our kids in school and they're not teaching police in the academies. You have the freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Those documents were not written to give you your rights. You were born with natural rights. Those documents were written to limit the scope of authority that cops and government have over we the people. With that being said, thank you for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.